As the year comes to an end, I finally got the holiday break I was yearning for. We stayed at this pitch perfect location in a lovely cottage on a top of small hill overlooking a beautiful lonely beach and endless swath of the sea. Need I say more how good the place was? I woke up to watch the sunrise through the palm trees above the gorgeous morning sea. The soothing morning breeze helped me recharge my thoughts and self. Small pleasures in life sometimes make the most difference in the day. One such thing for me is my morning tea. I want it good and I want it in absolute silence to prepare myself for the hustle of the day. Today, although there was no hustle, but sipping on the piping hot tea, overlooking the beautiful sight, I zoned out into the deep thoughts which I otherwise never get time for. It was quite enriching and the thoughts were pleasantly broken by the sound of kids crawling out in the open. It was time for the showcase event, heading out to the beach. As we climbed down to the sandy beach, I further descended into the sense of calm. Kids got on to their favorite beach hobby, that is making and breaking sand castles. And we got on to our favorite hobby, watching them making merry. All the worries of routine life simply faded away and I could rediscover myself. Ruthvi was literally on top of the world. We did travel a lot with her pre-COVID, but she was too small to remember any. Therefore, this would inadvertently becomes the first travel memory of hers. She absolutely loved discovering coral stones, collecting shells, and simply frolicking around on the beach. With her happiness, I too could revisit my childhood. Switching off all the noise, breathing in fresh air, and relishing the sound of sea were quite rejuvenating. The definition of holidays has evolved for me over the years. In the younger days, we would go crazy hustle and bustle at crowded spots. But these days, we look forward to a quiet personal time of solitude. Holidays for me are the time to disconnect with the world and reconnect with oneself. The silent surroundings broken into the sound of nature are the perfect destination for me. This year the holidays came with twin challenges. Firstly, traveling between the time of COVID, and secondly the fact that we now have an infant in company. But with all due precautions, we decided to take the leap of faith and head out to the far corner of country surrounded by the beautiful Andaman Sea. After making merry on the beach, gorging on delicious breakfast together as a family was a blessing. The best bit was no internet or TV, which allowed us to do digital detox and reconnect more with each other. We spent a few more precious days in this repeat cycle. We also did some island hopping, visiting more beautiful beaches and unwinding. Driving on narrow roads lined with fringe of palm trees, meeting hospitable local population and relishing sumptuous local food were other highlights of this trip. As would happen, I never wanted to come back. This long-awaited holiday helped me and family rediscover ourselves and make beautiful memories to cherish. Hope you enjoyed this little glimpse of our year-end travel. And with that, I wish you and your family a great and happy year ahead. See you all in my next video. Until next time, stay tuned.